Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. As we prepare the manual solution for DirectX 10, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the DirectX 10 Update 33, a legacy DirectX 10 helper component. It provides unmanaged routines for texture processing and 3D math, acting as the visual data link for games requiring the April 2007 runtime manifest. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. DirectX is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing DirectX 10 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because the initial fix didn't work, we must manually deploy the legacy DirectX components to your PC, and you should run the official DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010 setup. This process will scan your system for missing multimedia files and ensure that your DLL file is correctly installed alongside your other graphics libraries. Why are we doing this? Well, a manual runtime restoration is the only way to bypass driver-level blocks and ensure that every legacy dependency is present and functional. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for DirectX 10 DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references DirectX 10 configuration concepts. If you've regained access to DirectX 10 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.